Hi, welcome back again to another video. So I decided to do a Valentine's Day look kind of makeup, and I don't really have any kind of, I'm not going for something specific. We're just kind of freestyling today, but obviously the colors that we're going to use is going to be in the, Valentine's Day colors. So I already have my eyebrows done. I have a little bit of foundation on, but I'm gonna apply more foundation. This is a little bit of a challenging look for me because I don't really do eyeshadows, and I'm about to sit here and do an eyeshadow look. So what you see is what you get. I'm gonna try my best to do my best, right? I'm gonna try my best to do my best. So I use Chat AI or Chat GPT to guide me, and I asked for like Valentine's Day makeup look, and it said something on the lines of soft, soft, rosy, subtle look. So I asked for what colors fall under that category, and it gave me some colors. It gave me light pinks, dusty mauves, and muted roses. Now today is the first day ever in my life that I've heard those kind of colors. Because what's dusty mauves and what roses are muted? But I decided to go with the muted roses palette. If we go when you type in muted roses palette, it's gonna come up, and this is what came up for me. I'm not gonna use the green part of that palette, but I'll use the last three. They're not really bright. I mean, Valentine is all about pink, red, and all that. But the colors on this palette is not as, bright, like, maybe light pinks and the normal Valentine's Day colors. So because these colors are not bright, like pink, I don't know if it's actually going to look like I did some eyeshadow, but we will see. So, to start off with this eyeshadow look, I am going to use my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Caramel. I'm going to set my under eye, and I'm also going to apply some on my eyelid. If you really want to make your eyeshadow pop, you have to use some concealer. So let's see. So now I'm going to blend the concealer that's on my eyelid. I'm gonna drag that up to cover the top of my eyelid as well. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to set the concealer. I'm going to use my setting powder. I'm just going to tap with the same brush. Okay, to proceed with this look, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Colourpop, and this is what the colors inside looks like. So these are the 3 colors. So I'm gonna use this one, winter, right here, and this one right here, and this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use the, so you can see there's like 3, it's 3 shades. This is the darkest right here, and this is the second darkest, and this is the lighter one. So I'm going to go with the second darkest on my outer, that will be the first shade that I put in, so that it creates like a soft blend in to the other colors. And right now I'm just trying to put it on my crease, the crease of my eye. And right now I'm just following my eye shape, because I don't really know if there's a trick to putting eyeshadow on. I mean, I feel like there is, but I'm pretty sure all you have to do is just follow your eye shape. Hope that that does the trick. I think this is the color from the Dusty Roses. Now I'm going to go in with the darker shade, the darkest shade, and that will be on the inside to kind of give a like smoky kind of look. And you see how they just blend? They just blend in together easily. This is actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But I don't even know if the camera is picking up the colors. I hope it is. So far, so good, I think. Now we're gonna go in with the lightest shade, and that would be right in the center of the eye. But it's actually not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. That's if I'm doing it right. That is a very nice blend. It has a nice blend. Wowzers. Do you see this? Okay. I'm gonna go back in with that other shade right here just to cover these parts right here. So we have nice coverage. Whoa! Okay. I think the blend is nice. If the camera is picking up the colors, and this is the Dusty Rose palette. This is the Dusty Rose palette. Okay, to start blending in all of this stuff, I'm going to go with my beauty blender. I'm going to spray it with my setting spray to make it damp. That helps to same on this side. If we're really going for that bright under eye, we still want the makeup to be subtle and rosy. I'm gonna go with this other concealer. This is my NYX concealer in the shade CW CWOO. And this one is, I think this one is brighter than the first concealer that I used. And I'm going to put a little bit on the inside right here. I'm going to go back with my e.l.f. concealer over here, because we're this is going to help to create that crease on for the eye. Now I'm just gonna go in with my contour for the sides. I might still have to redo the one on the nose, but for now, to blend the one on the corner of my eye, I'm going to use this blender, and I'm going to focus on using this edge, because that's kind of the look that we want. So that would just help with that would just help create that crease more easily. Don't be scared to use your product, because sometimes for me, I'm like scared. I won't blend the products neatly, but don't be scared to use your products. If you need to apply more, go ahead, do it. Okay. See the crease? You see it? You see it? Let me blend in this concealer again. Put it on my nose. You see why I'm forgetting to put concealer right here? I haven't done a full face in a long time, so I'm a little rusty right now. And maybe that's why I picked Dusty Roses, because I'm rusty. I'm not rusty. Now we're gonna set that concealer that's under our eyes with our setting powder. I'm using my Wet n Wild setting powder. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna take some of that. I'm gonna go. We're gonna let this sit, not for too long. Okay, one of my light died, but I am missing a light. But I have to keep going because the concealer started drying off. It's not supposed to be on your face for too long. So because my face is a little dry right now, I'm gonna use my setting spray so I can start blending off all this stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna mix some blush, and I'm gonna use this red lipstick first. Put that right here, put that right here. I'm gonna blend that right away so it doesn't stick. I'm gonna go back in with, usually I would use I would put a red blush on the cheek, but because I kind of want to mirror the eyeshadow color, I'm going to use that lighter shade that we use for this part of the eye. I'm going to use that to finish off the blush. I don't know how that would look, but you can see. Climb that up like this. I don't think that's bad. Let's blend this concealer better. Okay, to kind of bring the look all together, I'm using my setting powder. This is the darker shade, to try to blend all of this. I'm gonna go with my mascara. I was thinking that I kind of want a little bit of highlight under my eyebrow, so I'm going to attempt doing that. I'm going to use the same palette, but using this shade right here, this one. Can't see it yet. That's what that looks like. I need some highlight on my nose. Now for the lips. What do I want to do for the lips? I still want the subtle kind of look, except I've always used black lip liner, so we're gonna try that today. We're gonna use a black lip liner and see what that gives. And then I'm going to use this kind of pink shimmery lip gloss. I don't know. I do need to start trying new lip combo, but that's not the point of this video. I'm going over with my lip gloss to give that shiny. Okay, I think I want to add more highlighter on my cheeks, but just a little bit. Just tapping that highlight. Okay, finished look. Let me know how you guys like it in the comment section. So the goal was Valentine's Day makeup, something soft, subtle, you know, with some rosy colors. I hope I have executed that, and I have to the best of my ability, and I think I did good. So let me know if you're gonna try this look for if you have a Valentine. If you're gonna be going on a date, let me know if you're gonna try this look in the comment section, and share it to your friends that you know are also going to be going on a date. Share it to them so they can, you know, attempt this look. And y'all, this is the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, be safe, be blessed. Bye bye.